Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Arc Raiders on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play Arc Raiders on your computer easily. First up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Arc Raiders on here, you're going to click onto this first link from Steam, and then you're going to scroll down and you're just going to click Add to Cart here, click View My Cart, and then just click Continue to Payment here. And once you click continue to payment, you'll have to put in your card's details. And once you put in your details, you'll be able to download and play the game Arc Raiders on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.